Hey, what's up guys? My name is Kendrick. You may not have heard of me before, but I can't wait to entertain you guys while educating and teaching you about financial literacy. I'll be going over news surrounding the stock market and the economy, providing you news and insight, including my thoughts on individual stocks, along with everything surrounding investing. And who knows, I might even surprise you guys with a different type of video, but obviously within the same niche. We are currently living in a quite interesting time, and you simply cannot miss this opportunity to build wealth. So much is happening in the world which affects the overall economy, including you. So please make sure to buckle up, subscribe, and hit the notification button to never miss an important video, which who knows could change your life. Like I said, I can't wait to help you guys build up your bag and reach financial freedom while educating you on important topics you should definitely know. It's been your boy Kendrick. See you guys on my next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm out. Peace.